Have you ever wondered where the neon in those mesmerizing signs comes from? It's not just a magical substance, it's a fascinating element with a unique story. Neon, one of the noble gases, is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas found in small quantities in the Earth's atmosphere. It's named after the Greek word neos, meaning new. While it might seem like a common element, its journey from the atmosphere to the neon signs we see today is quite extraordinary. The extraction process. Air liquefaction. The first step involves liquefying air. This is achieved by compressing and cooling air until it turns into a liquid. Distillation. Once the air is liquefied, it's subjected to a process called fractional distillation. This separates the different components of air based on their boiling points. Neon, with its lower boiling point compared to other gases in the mixture, vaporizes first. Purification. The vaporized neon is then purified to remove any impurities, such as nitrogen, oxygen, and other gases. This purification process involves various techniques, including adsorption and absorption. Neon's unique properties. Neon's unique properties make it ideal for use in various applications, including neon signs. Here are some of its key characteristics. Glowing when electrified. When an electric current is passed through neon gas, it emits a bright, reddish-orange glow. This is due to the excitation of neon atoms, which release energy in the form of light. Low electrical conductivity. Neon has a low electrical conductivity, which means it requires a high voltage to produce a glow. This makes it suitable for creating high-voltage signs. Long lifespan. Neon signs have a long lifespan, often lasting for decades. This is because neon gas is relatively inert and doesn't react easily with other substances. Neon signs, a timeless art form. Neon signs have been a popular form of advertising and decoration for over a century. Their distinctive appearance and vibrant colors have captured the imagination of people around the world. From iconic city skylines to vintage storefronts, neon signs have become a symbol of nostalgia and modernity. The future of neon. While neon signs remain a popular choice, advancements in technology have led to the development of LED lights, which offer greater energy efficiency and flexibility. However, neon signs continue to hold a special place in the hearts of many due to their unique aesthetic appeal and historical significance. So, the next time you see a neon sign, remember the fascinating journey that neon gas has taken to reach that glowing display. From the air we breathe to the vibrant lights that illuminate our cities, neon has a remarkable story to tell. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.